While it's fresh on my memory, I'm just outside the facility at Lucid Motors. I talked to the security guard, and on weekdays there's about 400 employees that are still testing out the machinery. That means the robots, making sure everything is going well. Full production has not started yet. I just did a flyover. There are no cars. A semi just left, dropping off some stuff. But he says that production will not begin until June or July, depending on how the tests go. They're in test mode right now. That's it. So, as I thought, there would not be any cars out in the parked outside from production cars. They are making test cars, but other than that, that's it. So here it is from Lucid Motors, which is in Casa Grande, Arizona. See you later. Thanks for watching.